Welcome to West Kazakhstan Marat Ospanov Medical University, one of Kazakhstan's leading medical institutions, where academic excellence, innovation, and practical medical training come together to shape the healthcare professionals of tomorrow. Today, we invite you to take a closer look at this remarkable university and explore the facilities, resources, and opportunities that make it a preferred destination for medical students from across the world. As we begin our campus tour, the first thing you'll notice is the university's impressive infrastructure. Designed to support a modern educational environment, the campus combines contemporary architecture with advanced learning facilities. Every building reflects the university's commitment to creating a space where students can learn, grow, and excel. The university's academic buildings are equipped with modern classrooms that provide an engaging and interactive learning experience. These lecture halls are designed with advanced audiovisual technology, enabling students to benefit from high-quality instruction and multimedia-supported education. Here, medical concepts are taught through a combination of theoretical knowledge and practical application, ensuring a strong foundation for future healthcare professionals. Moving further into the campus, we arrive at the university's specialized laboratories. These laboratories play a crucial role in medical education by providing hands-on experience in subjects such as anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, and pharmacology. Students actively participate in laboratory sessions, allowing them to transform classroom knowledge into practical understanding. One of the highlights of the university is its simulation and clinical skills training facilities. These modern centers provide students with opportunities to practice medical procedures and clinical techniques in a controlled environment. Through realistic simulations, future doctors develop confidence, accuracy, and decision-making skills before working with actual patients. This practical approach significantly enhances clinical competence and prepares students for real-world healthcare situations. The anatomy department serves as a cornerstone of medical education at the university. Here, students gain a detailed understanding of the human body through modern teaching methods, anatomical models, and practical demonstrations. This foundational knowledge is essential for developing a successful career in medicine. As we continue our tour, we visit the university library, a valuable resource center that supports academic and research activities. The library houses an extensive collection of medical textbooks, scientific journals, research publications, and digital learning resources. Students have access to both traditional and electronic materials, enabling them to stay updated with the latest developments in medical science and healthcare. Research and innovation are integral parts of the university's educational philosophy. Dedicated research facilities encourage students and faculty members to participate in scientific projects, conferences, and collaborative studies. These opportunities foster critical thinking, creativity, and a deeper understanding of medical science, helping students contribute to the advancement of healthcare knowledge. Clinical training remains one of the strongest aspects of education at West Kazakhstan Marat Ospanov Medical University. Through partnerships with affiliated hospitals and healthcare institutions, students gain valuable exposure to real clinical environments. Under the guidance of experienced medical professionals, they learn patient examination techniques, diagnostic procedures, treatment planning, and healthcare management. The university's teaching hospitals provide students with direct interaction with patients, allowing them to observe and participate in medical practice from the early stages of their education. This experience helps students develop professional confidence, communication skills, and a patient-centered approach to healthcare. Beyond academics, the university offers a vibrant campus life that promotes personal growth and well-being. Students have access to comfortable study spaces, recreational facilities, sports complexes, and cultural activity centers. These facilities encourage a balanced lifestyle and provide opportunities for students to engage in extracurricular activities alongside their academic commitments. The university's student community represents diverse cultures and nationalities, creating a truly international learning environment. Students from different countries come together to share experiences, learn from one another, and build lifelong friendships. This multicultural atmosphere enhances cultural understanding and prepares graduates for careers in an increasingly interconnected world. Hostel accommodation is another important feature of the university. The student residences are designed to provide a safe, comfortable, and supportive living environment. Equipped with essential amenities, study areas, and recreational spaces, the hostels help students feel at home while pursuing their educational goals. The university places strong emphasis on student support services. Academic advisors, faculty mentors, and administrative staff work closely with students to ensure their educational journey is smooth and successful. Whether it involves academic guidance, personal development, or career planning, students receive continuous support throughout their studies. Technology plays a significant role in modern medical education, and the university continues to invest in digital learning platforms and advanced educational tools. Online resources, virtual learning environments, and innovative teaching methods help students access information efficiently and enhance their learning experience. As healthcare continues to evolve globally, West Kazakhstan Marat Ospanov Medical University remains committed to adapting its programs and facilities to meet international standards. The university continuously upgrades its infrastructure, educational resources, and clinical training opportunities to ensure students receive a world-class medical education. Graduates of the university go on to serve in hospitals, clinics, research centers, and healthcare organizations across Kazakhstan and around the world. Their achievements reflect the institution's dedication to academic excellence, professional development, and healthcare advancement. As our campus tour comes to an end, it becomes clear that West Kazakhstan Marat Ospanov Medical University is much more than a place of learning. It is a community dedicated to nurturing future healthcare professionals, advancing medical knowledge, and making a meaningful impact on society. For students aspiring to build successful careers in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, nursing, and healthcare sciences, the university offers an environment where knowledge, practical experience, and innovation come together to create limitless opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this tour of West Kazakhstan Marat Ospanov Medical University. We hope this journey has provided valuable insight into the facilities, educational opportunities, and vibrant student life that make this institution a respected destination for medical education. West Kazakhstan Marat Ospanov Medical University, where future healthcare professionals are inspired to learn, empowered to innovate, and prepared to serve the world with excellence and compassion.